Hey guys, it's Danica. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I cleanse my face and prep it for makeup. The first thing that I do is I rinse my face. Then I proceed on using this Foreo microfoam cleanser. My skin is very sensitive when it comes to facial cleansers, but with this one, it really leaves my skin looking fresh. After that, I use my Foreo Luna Mini 3. I just discovered this product which is very perfect for busy students like me. This smart facial cleansing massager is such a great investment to my skincare routine because ever since I started using it, I noticed that it really helped clear out my skin and it also exfoliates my skin, leaving it very smooth. This device is also really cool because it has an application which you can download to your smartphone. With the Foreo application, you can adjust the intensity of the T-sonic pulsations according to your liking. It also has a glow boost mode, which is a 30-second cleanse. And my favorite part is that it has a Find My Luna feature, so if ever I misplace my device, I could easily find it. This device is also made of silicone face-friendly material, which means that it is really hygienic and it also prevents bacteria buildup. That is basically how I cleanse my face. After I do that, I just continue doing my skincare routine. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you still haven't, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!